Hello, today I'm going to show you how to get this flawless wedding day base. Alright, let's get to it. So first I'm going to be doing a little exfoliant to my face. It's a little Paula's Choice. It's a weightless body treatment. It's supposed to exfoliate the skin and kind of give you a younger tone. So you could use any exfoliator for this. You don't even have to do it, or you could just wash your face. Whatever you would prefer. So I'm just going to put it on my face and rub it around. Put a little bit more on there. There we go. Now, I normally wouldn't do this before my makeup, but since we're gonna be practicing for our vow renewal look, might as well go the extra mile. Really get a nice base. So there we go. Kind of brightened up the face a bit. It said it should, so that was cool. The next thing I'm going to do is use my Bioessence. I did use my points to get some of this, and it works really nice. Kind of firms up under the eyes. Awesome. I'll put it above. And rub the extra up top. Awesome. Then next we are going to use, this tool is 24/7 Ultra Hydration. It is awesome. It has little beads in it. I love using it. It really moisturizes my face. And then we are going to put on my vitamin C suspension, 30% in silicone. I love it. And I find if there's any like dead skin on my face, it might bunch up on my fingers, but that's okay. It's kind of a nice way to really lightly exfoliate. Just be careful not to get it on your lips because it doesn't taste the greatest. And I find this is one of the biggest aspects of my look. Looking really good. It really brightens me up. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to do my foundation. The Fit Me Maybelline shade 110. So we're going to put this on. Lovely. I'm going to blend it in first with my hands. Just spread it around. It's going to look crazy for a bit, but then I'm going to blend it in and it won't look crazy. Just get it everywhere. Bring it down the neck a bit. Awesome. Baby wipe and get it off my hands. That looked funny. Now I'm going to take my brush and just blend it out in circular motions. Just this great little Walmart brush. I'm going to pause while I blend it. Alright, so I blended out most of it, and I just want to show you guys how I'm finishing blending it so you know exactly what I'm doing. I'm just doing big circles, bringing it down my neck. Doing more big circles all over my nose like crazy. The mouth, any creases, and the eyes like nuts. Here we go. I don't want any creases. And then just along the hairline, that way you still look good. Awesome. So there we go. And next, I'm going to put on some blush. I like using the MAC. It is Petal Power. It is really cute. Gotta open it though. And right now, I like to put my blush like directly under my eye. I really like the way that it looks. find it just kind of makes me look younger. There we go. A little bit on the nose, on my chin. Perfection. Next, I'm going to put on my highlighter. The Rare Beauty liquid highlighter, shade Mesmerize. Put some on my nose. Here. 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 And here. Some here. Just get a good over here. Now I want more for my cheeks too. Now there is a trick to using this. You can only use this with a brush, otherwise it's going to just come off your face. So keep that in mind. All right, let's get going. I really like this stuff. It looks so pretty. There we go. I love this highlighter. I find it really suits my skin tone. I love the way it looks with my blush. It's so beautiful. Awesome. Lovely. Looking glowy, looking great. All right, so now I'm going to do my eyebrows. Where is my eyebrow pencil? Must be in my little drawer. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So it's this Anastasia brow definer. It's awesome. I really like it. Got as a little thing with my points on Sephora, and I love it. The only thing is you can really move it easily, so it could get broken easily, but I'm gentle. And I love the way it makes my brows look. I love the color. Super easy. Lovely. Other side. So I'm actually wearing the dress that I got married in. I've worn it quite a few times since we've been married. That was why I kind of brought more of a relaxed dress, is what I will call it, because I wanted to be able to like continuously wear it after we got married and try and incorporate it into some outfits. I really like it. It's very fairy-esque, which is right up my alley. All right, let's brush her out a bit. Just make her look good. Awesome. Really like the way that looks. And now I'm going to do my lips. So right now I'm really feeling this Charlotte Tilbury, the Pillow Talk liner, and her plumping lip gloss. It is beautiful. And I'm gonna line my lips real quick. Up top. Love that liner. Gotta sharpen it though. Been using it a lot. And you're gonna see this here in a minute get real plumping. It's nice. It's not like crazy plumping, but it's very pretty. Love it. Very gorgeous, very natural, very glowy. And now, the last thing I'm going to do for this base is I'm going to put on my Iconic Prep Set Glow. It is gorgeous, and I like to kind of sandwich my eye makeup with it. So I'll put it on right now, and then when I finish my eye makeup, I will put it on afterwards. So I'm just going to spray my face. Right, and then I'm going to just like kind of tap it in, especially on my eyes. It really gives you a nice look. It's very pretty. And maybe I'm crazy for tapping it in. I really don't know if that's doing anything. I think it is, but who knows. But yeah, so this is exactly how I would do my Flawless Wedding Base. I think it's gorgeous. I think it's very glowy. It might be a little glowy for some people, but I love it very, very much. And I'm going to be doing like a whole series on eye makeup for weddings. And I'm always probably going to use this base because it is my absolute favorite. And yeah, so I'm going to do a little curl up of my hair. Love these little things here. Perfect for like a wedding. Really like that. And then I like to do it on the other side too. And then my bobby pin. I usually look like really simple looks. Especially just because like my wedding dress is very fairy-esque. So I like to have my hair down long and just some cute little clips. And I'll definitely be wearing these earrings, and then definitely this necklace for our renewal. My husband got me this, and it represents our family, like after I first gave birth to our son. So it's super important to me and super special. But yeah, so this is the final look. I'm gonna pull down my sleeves, and I would never suggest doing your makeup in your wedding dress, just so you know. But yeah, and I will show you guys how I would do my eye makeup in the next video if you'd like to see. And I will do a little series on different eye makeup that you'd like. But yeah, that is my wedding dress. And yeah, it's been worn a few times. So yeah, I really like it though. It's very beautiful. Thanks for watching. And this is the final look for a flawless base for your wedding day. Let me know what you think.